To increase your battery life on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, there's a few things that you can do. First of all, let's open settings on our phone. Next step is to scroll down, and here we can enter the display and brightness. Now we should go into dark mode first, as this greatly increases your battery life and reduces the consumption in dark mode. Then there's the screen brightness, which also impacts it a lot, so you can lower the brightness a bit, don't go overboard with it. Also disable the sunlight mode. Next thing is the, let's find it, refresh rate. I would recommend to put it on 60 if you want to preserve battery life. So this should also help greatly. I think this will impact it actually even mostly. And next things are in battery itself. So let's go back and then scroll down to the battery right here. I said right here. And now inside we can go for the current mode and change it to battery saver, which as you can see here gives us 5 hours and 57 minutes on how much battery I have. I think 14%. So this is actually quite a lot of time on that battery percentage. Also, we should close all of the apps running in the background, so you can just swipe them like this, which should also impact that battery lifetime. And last thing is in the apps section. So open the apps on your phone, apps setting, and then go to the background auto start. And then I would make sure that booking, calendar, clock, notes, wallpaper, carousel, or anything is disabled. You can leave the Android system safety core if you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.